afternoon. My name is Dan Mahone. I'm principal of Radcliff Elementary. I'll be starting year 3, and I'm extremely excited. Today is our open house. We're welcoming all of our families, all of our new Trojans, all of our old Trojans, and we're just really happy to have so many families come out and support us. This year, our goal is going to be to have as many families in our building as possible. That's going to be our goal. We want to have as many families in our building as possible because we really believe this is a community building, not just a school building. Go Trojans.
All right, I'm Craig Buchanan. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Radcliff Elementary. This will be my 13th year as the Resource Coordinator here. Some of the things the Resource Center does is we coordinate with community members to bring in programs for our students, a little bit of everything. We also work to reduce barriers within families and students. Anything they may need, they can reach out to us. Feel free to contact the Resource Center. Once again, I'm Craig Buchanan, 270-352-3352. And my goal for this coming school year is just to motivate others and be more enmeshed in the community.
One last question is, what do you love about Radcliff Elementary?
I love Radcliff Elementary. I love our kids and the student population that we work with. I just love helping others, and we got some of the best kids in the district. Put them up against anybody.
Hi, I'm Meredith Howell and this is Shelly Mead. We are working on car tags for our car riders. This is another safety measure we have for our car riders in the afternoon. They are assigned a number, and then that number is also on the car that picks them up so that we know that they are safe to pick them up for that day.
And do parents have to sign up for that before, like during the summer?
Yes, we ask for parents to sign up for that, especially by open house or before the first day of school if possible. And if not, then they're always able to go to the front office and take care of that.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Miss Ashley. I teach 2nd grade at Radcliff Elementary School. I would say my favorite subject is math. I like dealing with numbers. One piece of advice I would say is always stay positive. There is always a worse day that there could be.
Hey, good afternoon. My name is Jelena Hall. I am one of the girls basketball coaches here at Radcliff Elementary, the best elementary school in all of Hardin County. Been coaching here for about 3 years, currently recruiting, trying to see what kind of new talent we have coming into school and welcoming back our 2025 runner-ups. That was our 5th grade runner-ups, and our 2025 4th grade undefeated champions, first time ever. That's what you see right here, is this trophy, undefeated. All right, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just welcoming everybody to the school, letting them know about this program that we have here, and giving out a little candy, as you can see.
Hey, my name is Mariah. My baby is in 3rd grade, and his favorite subject, I think it's reading, but he's going to say science. I love Radcliff Elementary because just the support they give to all students, not just mine, but I've seen them just support everybody, and I love it.
I'm Jim England, and I'm an alternate special needs bus driver, and here's some of the rules that they have to go with. It's be courteous, friendly, and obedient to the driver at all times, recognizing their authority while on the bus. And they wait for the bus driver's signal before crossing the road. All children must cross at least 10 feet in front of the bus so that the driver can watch them. And students must be at the designated stop 5 minutes prior to the bus arrival time and wait 5 minutes after arrival time in case the driver may be running late. The bus driver is authorized to assign seats, and children must remain seated while on the bus. Fighting, profanity, vandalism will not be tolerated. And that goes for the special needs and the all regular buses.
And in your experience with your kids, have you found it better to have assigned seating or not?
I liked the assigned seating best. I think in the morning and the afternoon, everybody has an assigned seat. They know where to go, and there's less confusion, and the easier and quicker things go.
And for the 10-foot rule, there's usually that long arm.
Well, yeah, the arm does come out and that helps put a distance between you and everything else. But being 10 feet away, the driver can see you. Some kids may be too short. It's difficult to see over the top of the bus.
It's not new anymore, but recently, within the past 6 years-ish, they started putting a camera on the back of the bus to see if you're going past that stop sign.
Right.
And you just mentioned that.
Yeah, there's cameras all around the bus to see if someone runs our stop sign, and that catches the license plate in the car and everything necessary to report.
That's an important.
Yeah.
Can you just say your name one more time?
And my name is Jim England, and I'm a bus driver for Hardin County Schools.
How you doing? My name is Henry Benham Baker. We're here at Radcliff Elementary. My daughter will be attending the first grade. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Math? Yeah. So this year we're really excited. She came from North Park, and we're really excited to see her bloom into the little girl she wants to be. We're excited for her and all the little ones that's coming into school. We can't wait to see what she does and what the other kids do, but I'm also an employee here at Radcliff Elementary, so as a parent, I'm excited to see everybody. I'm happy to see everybody here at this open house, and we're going to have a great year.
What do you love about Radcliff?
What I love about Radcliff? Oh, the people, the community. The community's thing. I'm a football coach, and we have great support by the community. So I love everybody here. I love the support we have every time there's an event here. That if it has something to do with school, if it has something to do with Radcliff, it's a big turnout. So I love the community of Radcliff.